As we navigate through everyday conversations, there are certain questions that frequently come up. These questions range from personal inquiries to situational queries, and knowing how to respond effectively can greatly enhance your communication skills. In this video, we'll cover 100 of the most common questions people generally ask, along with sample answers. This video guide will provide a foundation for understanding how to respond in various scenarios. 1. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. 2. What is your name? My name is Abdullah. 3. Where are you from? I am from Canada. 4. How old are you? I am 20 years old. 5. What do you do? I am a student. 6. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. 7. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. 8. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. 9. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. 10. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. 11th. Where do you live? I live in New York. 12. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. 13. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. 14. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. 15. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. 16. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. 17. What is your phone number? My phone number is 123-456-7890. 18. What day is it today? Today is Monday. 19. Do you like sports? Yes, I like sports. 20. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is football. 21. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have a brother. 22. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. 23. Are you married? No, I am not married. 24. What is your job? I am a teacher. 25. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. 26. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is Shape of You. 27. What is the weather like? It is sunny. 28. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. 29. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. 30. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. 31. Do you like reading? Yes, I like reading. 32. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. 33. Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. 34. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. 35. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. 36. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. 37th. Do you have a best friend? Yes, I have a best friend. 38. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. 39th. Do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking. 40. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math. 41. Do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping. 42. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. 43. Do you like watching movies? Yes, I like watching movies. 44. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. 45. Do you like playing games? Yes, I like playing games. 46. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. 47. Do you have a bicycle? Yes, I have a bicycle. 48. What is your favorite flower? My favorite flower is a rose. 49th. Do you like painting? Yes, I like painting. 50. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. 51. Do you have a job? Yes, I have a job. 52. What is your favorite car? My favorite car is a Tesla. 53. Do you like to sing? Yes, I like to sing. 54. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is cheesecake. 55. Do you have children? No, I do not have children. 56. What is your favorite number? My favorite number is 7. 57. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I like to exercise. 58. What is your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is broccoli. 59. Do you have a computer? Yes, I have a computer. 60. What is your favorite exercise? My favorite exercise is yoga. 61. Do you like to draw? Yes, I like to draw. 62. What is your favorite type of weather? My favorite type of weather is the rain. 63. Do you have a phone? Yes, I have a phone. 64. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is Olive Garden. 65. Do you like skiing? Yes, I like skiing. 66. What is your favorite time of day? My favorite time of day is morning. 67. Do you like to bake? Yes, I like to bake. 68. What is your favorite candy? My favorite candy is chocolate. 69. Do you like hiking? Yes, I like hiking. 70. What is your favorite planet? My favorite planet is Earth. 71. Do you have a garden? Yes, I have a garden. 72. What is your favorite quote? My favorite quote is, "Live and let live." 73. Do you like to read comics? Yes, I like to read comics. 74. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is the beach. 75. Do you have a favorite actor? Yes, my favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. 76. What is your favorite outdoor activity? My favorite outdoor activity is hiking. 77. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. 78. What is your favorite snack? My favorite snack is chips. 79. Do you have a favorite singer? Yes, my favorite singer is Taylor Swift. 80. How do you celebrate your birthday? I usually have a small party with friends. 81. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice. 82. Do you like to go to the beach? Yes, I like to go to the beach. 83. What is your favorite clothing brand? My favorite clothing brand is Nike. 84. Do you have a favorite director? Yes, my favorite director is Steven Spielberg. 85. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is New Year. 86. Do you like to watch TV? Yes, I like to watch TV. 87. What is your favorite pizza topping? My favorite pizza topping is chicken. 88. Do you have a favorite athlete? Yes, my favorite athlete is Lionel Messi. 89. What is your favorite thing to do on weekends? I like to relax. 90. Do you like to go to the park? Yes, I like to go to the park. 91. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is chess. 92. Do you have a favorite YouTuber? Yes, my favorite YouTuber is PewDiePie. 93. Do you like to eat out? Yes, I like to eat out. 94. What is your favorite sandwich? My favorite sandwich is a turkey sandwich. 95. Do you have a favorite city? Yes, my favorite city is Dubai. 96. What is your favorite type of music? My favorite type of music is pop. 97. Do you like to write? Yes, I like to write. 98. What is your favorite type of movie? My favorite type of movie is action. 99. Do you like to study? Yes, I like to study. 100. What is your favorite day of the week? My favorite day of the week is Friday. Understanding and practicing common questions and their answers can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. By preparing responses to these frequently asked questions, you can navigate conversations with greater confidence and ease. This not only helps in social situations, but also in professional and academic settings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.